Hi guys! Tara, let's go to Kyoto. I'm gonna be sharing with you some of the food I ate. So ito yung 10 yen cheese bread for 500 yen in front of Yasaka Tower. And then Kyoto version of okonomiyaki from the store called Isen Yoshoku for 800 yen. Yan yung ginawa kong dinner kasi mabigat siya sa tiyan, masarap yan. And then yung mga food stalls malapit sa Togetsukyo Bridge sa Arashiyama. Bumili ako ng grilled wagyu for 800 yen and then grilled squid for 1,000 yen. And then bumalik tayo sa Yasaka Tower. One of the stores there, bumili ako ng Mont Blanc soft serve for 850 yen. Napakasarap nito guys. Of course, hindi natin palalagpasin yung napakasikat na Kyoto Starbucks. Bumili tayo ng espresso affogato and cream banana donut for a total of 965 yen. Lastly, etong grilled king crab for 600 yen. Napakasarap.